Where can I feel the paint, please? Oh, do I need to put my clutch down and put the gas on? Because I'm on a hill. I'm confused. I can't feel anything.
Listen, can you hear anything?
No, that's what I mean. I can't hear or feel anything.
Okay. Any idea what's happened?
Are we stalled? I don't feel it stalled.
Start the car for me.
Okay. Oh, fine.
So, mock test.
Yeah, I think it's worth doing so we can see where we are.
Okie dokie. It starts now.
Okay.
So, follow the road ahead for me, please. Nice and gentle with that bike pointer. So we're turning right to the next junction, please. Down into first. Okay. No, it doesn't matter. You got away with it.
Yeah, first.
Personally, I'd have approached in first.
Oh, okay.
A little bit slower, yeah. Because we're basically this road we're on now.
Yeah.
It's what is it? I think it's a 50, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Even though it's a recommended 40. See that yellow sign on the left
Yeah.
there now? It's not in a circular sign, is it? No.
No.
With a red border, that means it's only a recommended 40. Yeah. It's actually 50 along there. So when we pulled out into the main road, there's a potential for
Cars flying out.
yeah, to be approaching us doing like 50, possibly even 60.
Yeah. Okay, so it's 2 in, 1 out.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just so that I would just have liked that one extra look just before committing. Yeah, because cars can appear super duper fast. Did you know there are lots of little secret hidden buttons in this car?
Yeah.
There's one where the number plate flops down and I've got 2 machine guns there.
That's cool.
Yeah.
In case a person will go through.
Oh, just in case somebody tries to attack us from the front.
Good.
And there's another one that spreads oil on the road behind us and a lot of thick smoke.
So can we put that one down now? Because we're very impatient for the car behind us.
Now then, we're coming up to a roundabout shortly. We're going to go left first exit, okay?
Okay, so I need to understand that. I need to slow down now.
With this particular one, start now. Because as you can see where that truck's pulling out? There's a junction just before it, so do things early. Down, 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 down. Just here. Set to the left. Jump over to the top. There we go. Follow that left curve. Look away going up to the right. Nicely done. Going straight ahead of the next roundabout. Second exit, straight ahead. No road markings on the floor. So if we're going straight ahead, which lane?
Don't in this one.
That's
I
it.
don't indicate.
No, that's correct. So we've just passed the exit before the one we want. So left mirror, left indicator.
Line cut in flat.
Yeah, and there was an L plate on the car. Let's get that speed up now.
I just ran the car.
It's fine, it's no biggie. It wasn't dangerous and it wasn't illegal.
Not like that blue car that passed us.
That's all that matters.
Not like that blue car.
If you can answer yes to 2 questions.
Yeah.
Number 1, is it safe? Number 2, is it legal? If you can answer yes to those 2 questions, you will pass your test. Out there in the real world,
I might have to.
right, just bear with me a second because I think that live driving test, okay? That's it. And go, 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 go. Okay, we stalled. Right, clutch down, start the car. Start the car and go. That truck is waiting for us. Now we're being overtaken. That would have been a failure.
I've been accommodating for the truck.
Yeah, well, don't, because the problem was on his side. Okay? He was giving way to us, yeah?
That was a fail?
Yes, it was our priority, okay?
So I'm just like full.
If the problem is on our side,
Yeah.
it's the oncoming car's priority unless we've committed and it's too late, okay?
Okay, so I've just failed.
Yes. Two reasons. Number one, you gave way to the truck when it was our priority.
Yeah.
And number two, you didn't see that car overtaking us.
No.
Yeah? So we're going right. This is a driving test here. That's Graham. That's it. Centre mirror, right mirror. That's it. All the way down, 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 down into first gear. Down 2 miles an hour. Bring that speed all the way down. Keep in this left lane. Don't cross that centre line. 3, 2, 1. Now you can see there's nobody coming. Now we can turn. That's it. Look at the road markings. Well done. Ideally, we would have popped the right indicator back on, okay? But now then, just driving past these packed cars. I just want to do 2 seconds of theory on priorities, okay? When meeting traffic. So I'll get my iPad out. Now then, we need to pull up on the left somewhere. Yeah, go behind that red car for me. Put the left indicator on. Get nice and close to him. Get as close as you can. That's it. Stop there. Stop.
Clutch.
What does that left pedal do?
It helps everything to stop.
Right, start the car for me. Press that indicator.